In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket system in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and head to the overview area of your team space or your workspace. The overview gives you a high-level hub where you can add and manage key resources, which makes it a great place to set up a centralized support process. If you don't see overview right away, check the left sidebar and select the space or workspace, then choose overview from the top tabs. Once you're on the overview page, look for the plus icon. This is the quick create button that lets you add new items without leaving the page. Click it to bring up the creation options. You should see a choice labeled Track Tasks, Projects, People and More. Select that option. It's designed to help you spin up a flexible structure that works well for ticket tracking because it supports tasks, assignees, statuses, and the views you'll need. When prompted to name your new item, type Support Ticket System. Clear names help your team recognize exactly what this space is for, and they make it easy to find in search later. If you have multiple teams or products, consider including a descriptor in the name, like Support Ticket System, Product A, but for now we'll keep it simple. Next, click Create. ClickUp will set up the framework for you. Give it a moment to finish provisioning. This ensures all the underlying pieces, like default views and task structures, are in place. You'll be taken into the new area once it's ready. After creation, you'll see an option to apply suggestions. Go ahead and click that. These suggestions are ClickUp's recommended settings and structures tailored to common workflows. For a support ticket system, that typically means helpful default statuses, basic fields, and views that make triage and resolution smoother. Applying suggestions saves you time and gives you a solid starting point, especially if you're building this process for the first time. From here, you have a functional foundation for handling incoming requests, a place to create tickets, assign owners, track progress, and keep an eye on workload. As you start using it, you can refine naming conventions, adjust statuses to match your support lifecycle, and add fields like priority or customer impact. If your team grows, consider standardizing intake by using a task template or a form that feeds directly into this system, but the structure you just created is ready to use right away. That's all you need to set up a support ticket system in ClickUp. Apply these steps and you'll have a clean, centralized workflow your team can adopt today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.